So me rating this ShopRite in Imo State, I give them only 0.1 over 10. They didn't reach 1 over 10. I give them 0.1 over 10 because they are not selling anything inside. There is nothing inside. They are only answering the name ShopRite. But to tell you something, that they don't have anything. Imo State ShopRite don't have anything. But what I can recommend them for is the cleanness. Everywhere is beautiful, everywhere is clean, but there is no goods inside there. No goods at all. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm in Owerri ShopRite now, Imo State. This is the ShopRite in Owerri. So I want to go and review this ShopRite in Owerri, Imo State, to see how the ShopRite is. You know, it's my first time to come here, so I'll be going inside, starting from the gate side to see the beauty and the environment of this place. So guys, you can see I'm inside the ShopRite Owerri, Imo State. So guys, I'll be going inside there to see how everywhere look like. So all you have to do for me is to like this video, subscribe and share this video guys. Let's go inside. You can see this road now going to Ebu, and this road now going to Wedra fire service side. So guys, I'll be going inside the ShopRite now to see how the ShopRite is. You guys can see it. You guys can see it now. This is ShopRite roundabout. This is inside ShopRite. So I'll be going inside now. So finally, so this is the entrance of the ShopRite. You can see this is their entrance, pedestrian side when you are going inside. So this is the check-in side. So guys, I'm going inside now. So I make it to inside there. So this is the compound. This is the gate side when you are coming from inside. So we're going here now. So I would like to make full video. This is the inside of ShopRite Imo State Owerri. You can see how everywhere look like. I made it inside the Imo State ShopRite Owerri. So guys, it's so beautiful and like not what everybody expected. You can see it now. Like this is the compound. So this is Imo State Owerri ShopRite. You can see the compound. So guys, you can see everywhere now. This is the Owerri, so-called ShopRite Owerri Imo State. So this is their ShopRite Imo State Owerri. First time to be here. So I want to take this picture and the video, you know, to show you guys how Owerri ShopRite look like. Everything about this place. You can see the inside. Try to cover up and we go to this place, you know. It's really sunny. So this is the car park side where you can park your car. You can see where you can park your car. This is ShopRite Owerri Imo State. So guys, going inside now. This is ShopRite Owerri Imo State. So guys, I'm still inside the shop right now. So I'll be going inside now to go check what I came here for. So this is the inside. You can see. This is the ShopRite. You can see. So guys, I'm still inside. If I'm dropping this video, make sure you do like and subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'm still inside Imo State ShopRite. If they tell you that ShopRite is not in Owerri, probably people are lying. So this is Imo State ShopRite. So I'm inside the ShopRite now, trying to make the coverage, but I will not get the full coverage because they are saying that they don't used to carry camera inside here. They don't used to do video inside here. So I don't really know. And I came to buy camera stuff. Like I came to buy my gadgets, for videoing. But they are saying that they don't have it here. But people told me that I can, get this camera stuff here. But I don't know. This is Owerri ShopRite. They say it's ShopRite, right? Where they sell things, but what I came for, I didn't see it. So guys, I will still videoing, try to show you guys more inside this place, but they say they don't allow cameras inside this place. I don't know why they don't allow camera inside here. That's why white people are better than us. White people are really better than us because white people can allow you do some things like that, like video yourself, have the freedom to video, walk around, go where you want to go inside, because this is a public, for people to explore, for people to buy something and explore. But they are saying they don't allow camera inside here, so that's crazy. It's really crazy. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you guys more stuff. So guys, tell me what you know about this place. This is ShopRite Owerri, Imo State. So I came to buy my camera stuff, but they don't really have it here. They say that I can get the camera stuff here, but I have not seen it. So my rating of this place, I gave them 2 over 10. So guys, I'm leaving now. What I came for, they don't have it. Things they say here, they don't sell it, bro. Sell nothing here. Nothing. Going outside, so they don't sell anything here. All the things they say here, everything is nothing. Guys, I'm going. You come with your kids. So this is a place where you can take your kids. If you just come here to enjoy with your kids. So this place is a place that you can come enjoy, make your kids happy. It's inside the ShopRite. Where you come, when inside the ShopRite, by the left, this is the entrance. You can see this is the entrance. When you coming inside, like you are coming inside the ShopRite now, you will see this place by the left, where you can take your kids, make them feel good. If you are not in Imo State or you are not in Nigeria, then you came back to Nigeria. So this is a place where you can come. These ShopRites have a place that your kids can also feel that they are outside country. But I don't know the days they open this place. So I don't know. You can see it. You can see it. They have playing ground here. They have playing ground here. Have playing ground here. Hello guys, I'm still inside the ShopRite now, so I will be going now. But guys, I want to say the truth. This ShopRite doesn't, it's, oh god, I don't know. I will just rate them 0.1 over 10. That's what I will rate them. 0.1 over 10. They didn't reach what they call ShopRite. This is Owerri Imo State ShopRite. Guys, I came here to buy common camera stuff. Camera, battery and charger, they don't even have it. So why are they calling themselves ShopRite? This is Imo State Owerri ShopRite. The ShopRite is at Ebu. If you stop at Wedra Fire Service, you have to cross over to the other left side so that you can enter the car going to Ebu. So if you want to go to ShopRite that is in Owerri, in Imo State, you know that the only ShopRite in Imo State is at Ebu. See how you will go it. This is inside ShopRite, Owerri, Imo State. The only ShopRite in Owerri, Imo State. So guys, if you want to go to Imo State ShopRite, wherever you are, enter car from wherever you are to Wedra. Stop at fire service. If you stop at fire service, then you cross over. Tell them that you are going to Ebu ShopRite. If you reach that fire service, Wedra, enter car that is going to Ebu is 200 naira from that fire service to that ShopRite in Ebu. This is the only ShopRite in Imo State. But I can tell you that they don't want calling ShopRite, because I came here because of only to buy camera stuff. Do you know that they don't have anything about camera here? They don't have anything about camera. Come on, the charger for my camera. Come on, the charger for my camera. They don't have it. So me rating this ShopRite in Imo State, I give them only 0.1 over 10. They didn't reach 1 over 10. I give them 0.1 over 10 because they are not selling anything inside. There is nothing inside. They are only answering the name ShopRite. But to tell you something, that they don't have anything. Imo State ShopRite don't have anything. But what I can recommend them for is the cleanness. Everywhere is beautiful, everywhere is clean, but there is no goods inside there. No goods at all, because it's paying me. I spend transport to come here. I spend transport to come here. This is Imo State ShopRite, Owerri, the one at Ebu. I spend my transport to come. It's paying me. I spend my transport to come here, to come and buy common camera things, camera charger, to come and buy my camera charger and the battery. They don't have it. They are telling me to go to what they call it. They're telling me to go to everyday supermarkets. I should leave ShopRite and go to supermarket to buy camera things. That's crazy. So guys, make sure you do like, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. Share this video. From this video, you will know how to come to this place, please. So guys, I'm still inside now. So I've showed you guys everywhere. So I'll be going out from the gate now. The entrance, I'll be going out. So I finished my vlogging inside this place. But rating this place, I just give them 0.1. My rating for this place, 0.1 over 10. Because they don't have anything inside there. Only camera stuff that you can see on the market. But people told me that they have it here. Coming here, I didn't see anything about camera here. I didn't even see anything about selling of camera gadgets here. Nothing. Only food and the snacks. This ShopRite is only for snacks. This is snacks ShopRite, Owerri, Imo State. Snacks ShopRite, not ShopRite. Not ShopRite. This is snacks ShopRite, Owerri, Imo State, not ShopRite. Because you're supposed to get what you need here. That is why white people are best. Because when you go to a big ShopRite like this outside country, you get whatever you need than even going to the market. So it's paying me. I waste my transport to come here. I see nothing. I see nothing. So I'll be going, guys. So thank you for following me. Make sure you do share this video. This is ShopRite, Owerri, Imo State. Why I love this place is that everywhere is neat. Everywhere is beautiful. Everywhere is neat. So I recommend them for that everywhere is beautiful and neat. But to talk about things they have inside, they don't have anything. So guys, I'll be going outside now. So make sure you do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm leaving now. I'm leaving the premises, the compound now. This is the ShopRite. So what I came here to look for, I did not see it, so I have to go now. I'm going to everyday supermarket to check whether I can see it there. I'm outside now. I have finished today's video. This is the ShopRite, Owerri, Imo State. So I have finished the video. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next. I'll be going. It's like I will be going to Anambra, Enugu, and Abia State ShopRite. Yes, I'll be going to all those ShopRites, to go make video and review how their ShopRite is. Because Owerri own, I'm rating it 0.1 over 10. That's what I'm rating Owerri ShopRite. So I'm outside here. Make sure you do like this video. Subscribe to my channel.